Guys, still nasa Eden Nature Park pa kami. This is the forest of Eden.
Yung makikita natin sa areas na yung Davao, the Wishing Well dan na Carabao. Yung Carabao namin sobrang pwede yun ang nareklamo. So pwede kayong sumakay doon. You can ride our Carabao. Vegetable garden. Yan yung nakita niyo kanina. It's a good choice sa family of fish one. Walk forward.
This is Carabao.
I'm ready your video po. Biak Davao. Biak Davao City is ready your video. To our left is another organic vegetable garden available in selected supermarket downtown. Simple look for the Green Eden Seal. And of course for the magnificent
That is the actual view of Davao City.
And Salmon Island. Sister company of the resort located at the Salmon Island, Island Buena Vista. That area is our herbs and spices on your right, so which we use in our main restaurants. You can use for pasta, tea, soup, then ulam or hotdog. Here in Eden po, we have a dragon fruits or pitahaya in Tagalog. So dito po, we have a yellow dragon fruits or yellow pitahaya or nor. So mas matamis po siya like the other dragon fruit. So that's why it's mas mahal po siya. It's because we are entering the last stop over. So we have the well. You can make a wish. You have Davao. And of course, yung Carabao namin na sobrang white na yun po siya. Yes. By the way po, yung wishing well namin, credit card na po kami.